Good afternoon, Nola here. I wanted to show you guys that I actually did something. I did one of the kits that Annie sent me, and this is this year's bunny, Easter one, I guess. I think it was March's kit. Anyhow, I managed to get it together. It took me forever because I never know where anything is anymore. So what did I do? I cut out the bunny that she had to put across the front. And then I cut off the ears off of the bunny that she gave us and put them on separate. This one's got a little bird behind it. And then I used some of the flowers and some things that I had, like I had these leaves and twine. I wanted it to look more like it was outdoors. And then she gave us this little carrot in the kit, so that went down here. I put these little flowers down in this corner. And this trim was one that I had. And then this trim, the pink and green, I believe that came in the kit, although I'm not sure because mine are all mixed up. So then I put a little flower on her little necklace. And so then for closure, I just put this little hair clip on there because it seems to hold it closed. And then this is the first two pages. And this page is a pocket. And so is this page a pocket down here. So I made a pocket down there for that. This is just a bunny picture that we got. And the little flower I think I got from Gail 504. These are it's a little butterfly somebody gave me. I'm sorry, I can't remember. I bought this from Annie. Annie had sent this shabby chic thing on something else, so I used it in here. And then these teeny flowers down here I got off of a piece of embroidery. They're very tiny. And then these are just pearls to look like the, what is it called? Lobelia or Virginia creeper, whatever that is. So that is those two pages. So you have somewhere to, put things in this pocket and then again into this one. So there's those two. Then there's these two pages. And I have a little pocket here under this big flower. And there's a butterfly over here. And then just some little appliques and things to brighten up the page. This acrylic flower I've had for a long time. I have another pocket in here behind this bunny in here. And so, things can be hidden inside there as well. So then just a little heart and some other flowers that were on one of the trims. And then these roses came in the kit. So there's that. So then there's this page. And this is a pocket here that I just put some trim in. And then I just made the corner out of a piece of fabric, used one of the flowers that was in there. And this is one I had before. And this came with the kit. And then there's this bunny, and this was already in there. Then I had this off of one of my doilies that I cut up. And this is a pocket as well. I got little things in there. And then these are just roses that I already had. I think they're from England. I ordered a long time ago. I have fur on everything, sorry. So then we turn the page again, and I have a belly band here. And this is just a butterfly from our dollar store. And this is just an applique that I had and a little butterfly. And there is no pocket, just the belly band on this one. This bunny, oh no, this bunny is a pocket too. Sorry, I forgot I had left this one open. So you could put little treats in there as well. So that's that page, and all these beautiful, incredible laces came with it. Lovely, absolutely gorgeous. And then this is the last page. It doesn't, well, it does have a pocket. You can lift that up, and this whole page is a pocket. And then this covers it up the top again. And then this is just one of the pages that came with it. I put on the inside of the back and then used some of the trim. This is a trim I already had around here. And then on the back, I used the original bunny and just made new ears for him and put a tail. So this is the back of the bunny, and the other part is the front. This is the front. As you can see, the pretty little bunny here. And then this is the back. So I'll just go through it one more time. I'll just open the pages. Those two. And the end. I hope you enjoyed that. I had fun doing it. I really am looking forward to doing more, and I'm trying to do that now. So everybody's been bugging me to get back to it, so I'm going to. So there it is. One of the first kits I've got. I haven't even done last year's kits yet. I've done a few of them. So here we go. The first one for this year. I think it is. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye now. Take care, everyone. Be safe out there. Wash your hands. Bye now.